Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Good morning, good day, good afternoon to you, whoever you are, wherever you are. My name is Master Juniper Blue Mystique. I am an Ascension Master, Master Healer, and a Divine Guide. I'm coming today with a Healing Light Movement video. I don't know exactly what's going to come up. We shall see because I channel them the whole way. Reiki is great. Healing is great. But if we are not moving, we are not fully healing. Rhythm, movement into the energy is a super important key. So is exercise, right? It's part of our balance. Qigong, Taiichi, all of those things. I am simply a master healer. So I just channel what it is I need. I channel the movements as we need them. I channel tapping or even Reiki symbols. I channel them. I've never taken classes. It's just since my awakening and the return of Christ work, I get and see everything that I need. So that is who I am. That is where you found yourself. It's a mixture of everything. This is a healing light movement. There's energy, there's light healing involved, movement, because it's important. Okay, so do what you can do what you are capable of. Do not push yourself past the comfort zone. I mean, as far as pain goes, I will, however, recommend you to always put yourself past the comfort zone because we always like to stay small, and that is not where we gain anything. All right. So within your capabilities, know your body. This is about love of the body, not hurting it. Right. Okay. So we're just going to begin. I want you to have your feet on the floor, standing up, breathing into your body. I want you to imagine with every breath, this beautiful light coming up and then pushing it back down into the earth. And just close your eyes and breathe for a little bit. Pankalantavantai. Pankalantalantai. By the way, it's language of Christ. Pankalantavantai. Like some language to activate our center, our healing, our ability to move and groove. Feel the beat. Breathing in light, pushing out to the earth. Intention setting now to open up our energy and align with the frequencies of God's light. I call in the energy of all those that are here with me now and in the future. I call in your energy to be present so that I heal you just as much as I'm healing me. Okay, but just know you can use these multiple times, and whenever you find them, they are timeless. However, I'm not a Reiki healer. I'm a master healer. I do things differently. I have a Light Healers Academy. So everything I do is based in light and energy. I see the symbols of Reiki, and so I might infuse everything together. So just know it's not a normal space. Okay, you don't get normal healing here. Find it funny. One person said, "Oh, it's Crystal Jesus." There's a guy who does Reiki, and he kind of looks like what the persona of Jesus is. And I'm like, guys, Jesus wouldn't do Reiki. We're master healers. Bunkam to wantalantai. Bunkam to wantalantai. Bunkam to wantalantai. Bakam to wantalantai. Bunkawanta kain tankawan. I just kind of open the energy, light language coming through to set the tone, to really set the energy of healing. Okay. So I want you just to breathe. I want you to bring up the energy with your hands, closing your eyes and pushing it down. Imagine all this light coming up your feet, pure white light from the earth, and push it down. I want you to do the movements with me, but I am calling in your energy. So as I'm drawing the light, I see it going up you as well. As a master healer, I can see things within your energy, and I will talk of them if necessary. So just trust, just be present, just be open to receive, but do the movements with me. We're going to be filling our cup up with light and pushing out any muck. So bring in the light to above your cup line, and then down with the muck. I'm going to draw down the yellow light now. I'm drawing down yellow light from the heavens above, going down into our energetic center, our aura, our bubble, the energy that surrounds you. I'm bringing in the yellow healing light now from the heavens above. And I'm cleansing our aura. And you can do this exercise too. Move your arms, feel the energy. Close your eyes when you have the movements. Incanto antai. Oh, yeah, encanto aquí. Wow. Ki. Wow. Ki. Wow. Ki. Wow. Oh, wow. Ki. Oh, ki. Da. Da. I want you to reach into the sky, grabbing this beautiful light and bringing it down into your aura, to your bubble, into your energy, opening up like the lotus flower, opening up. And now down your center line. Drawing light up and drawing light down. Kind of like the snake. We're dancing with the snakes right now. Power activations. Again, I channel these for what's needed, and this is what's coming through. So we're going to dance with the snakes. Snake invocation. I want you feeling like a snake. Beautiful. Now I'm going to open up your 12 gates of abundance. In the new earth, we have 13, but until you've made it into the new earth, there's 12. And that requires the entire path to be cleared and all of that. And I talk about that through the Return of Christ work, because there's 13 gates, not 12. And when I dried the Nile, that came through. Okay. So for you guys, we will do the 12 gates. So I want you to imagine there's 12 gates, 12 energy centers that are connected to you that you must clear. Once you clear all 12 and you rise into the 13th, maximum abundance. Okay. And that is where we release all the shackles that bind you. All right. So they're relevant. But until you get into the new earth, there's only 12, not 13. The new earth is the 13th gate. Okay. So I just want you to accept opening up your 12 gates of abundance. It will cause healing to rise. So make sure whatever happens in your environment, you are choosing love only. Okay. So if you join in, put your hands out in front and twist to the left and out. Twist to the left and out. Lost count, so I'll do it till they tell me to stop. Clearing the mind. I can already see the light in my mind's eye flicker. So you know you're doing something, right? So just drop the light all the way up your center line to your crown and your third eye and clear the mind. I am worthy. I am safe. I am abundance. I am healed from all that keeps me away from abundance. I remove all lack. Ooh, right to the throat, right to the throat. I remove all lack. Everything that's holding me back. Drawing up the light to the throat and out. Now I'm hearing we need to bring down maximum love to the heart. So we're going to reach up and pull the light down and into the heart. Drawing down the most beautiful energy of love. I see it like grabbing light, grabbing energy. It's kind of like a pink and a white. And we're bringing it down into the upper chakras, through the crown, through the third eye, the throat, and into the heart, and letting it just fill the heart. I am love. I am love. I am love. and remove through the layers. Taking off the energy of the matrix. You'll see I do this with my eyes closed a lot because I feel it and I channel it. I want you to get to where you can do that too. So do them enough. Watch them, then do them, then feel them, and do it again. Opening up the heart to the maximum degree at this time. Taking your focus to your chest, to your heart chakra. As I help you open it, I want you to imagine the energy going out and pulling in fresh light. Releasing stagnant energy. Yeah. Burping is good. It's what we do to release. Now, we're going to do the solar plexus, a little healing and movement here. All right. Now I want you to visualize your heart's desire, the thing you want the most right now. Look at it like a movie screen that's out in front of you. Okay, like a scene playing out in a movie. What you want your life to be like right now. See it as a movie out in front of you. And now we're going to draw that into the heart. Draw it into the heart and out the solar plexus. Draw that image that you want into your heart and make it yours now. And push out the solar plexus. Draw that image into you and put it in your heart. And push it out the solar plexus. It's mine. I am worthy of this life. I am capable of this life. I release everything that keeps me separate from this life that I wish now. I am this life. Drawing that image into your heart. All your gates are open. Remember, the only thing that can stop you is you. Draw in that image like closer and closer and closer, and you're becoming part of that reality now. And then push it out your solar plexus. Now we give gratitude and thanks to the universe. I am grateful. I am this. I am that I seek. It is seeking me. I am grateful. I receive with open arms and gratitude. Be it. Now be that life. Be it. Be in it and feel it. We're going to do it one more time. I'm going to open your 12 gates and all your chakra centers. You can do it too. I want you to imagine these energy portals, and I want you to turn them open and release. And see like birds flying out. Number 2. 3. I set myself free. I'm free from all shackles that bind me. 4. I open up to the world of abundance I seek. 5. I believe in me. 6. I am that I am. 7. I'm connected to the universe. 8. I am powerful. I am creator. 9. I am love. I am renewing my energy source now. And I open up to the hands of time. 10. It's time for new beginnings. I am free of all shackles that bind me. 11. I am powerful. I am creator. I have everything I seek. 12. I am aligned with abundance now. I choose love only. And love chooses me. Like a fountain of abundance, drawing it up and out. Bursting with this beautiful golden light of abundance, drawing it up and out. Bursting with that beautiful golden light of abundance. Now envision the world you seek again, right out in front of you like a movie screen. You can see it, you can touch it. You see your life playing out the way you want it to, right in front of your eyes. I want you to spend a few moments and do this. Visualize it. See it in the front of you. As you're visualizing, I'm going to remove some energy that keeps you from receiving. Yungkom Puntawai Uka Wa. Now we're going to draw it in. Draw in the image to your heart. Become one with it and step into it. Drawing it closer and closer and closer until it becomes you in your heart. With this life, I am not separate. I am this now. Drawing it into the heart. Pushing out, release. Through the solar plexus, into the heart, and out. I am worthy. I accept this reality now. I am one with this reality now. Feel it. Feel the shift. Now I want you to imagine being in that reality for a moment. Feel it. Receive it. And I thank you, universe. Aligned with your timeline of abundant flow, align with the treasures you seek. Now just be present in that moment, in that space and time, in that reality. I am worthy. I am this. I am abundance. I am love and I am bliss. My vibration is sky high, beyond that which I seek, into unconditional love. Now just give thanks. I'm going to anchor in this reality for you now. I am that in which I seek. I am that now. Clearing the mind. Do this with me. Removing all energy that blocks and opening up. Abundance is mine. Abundance is mine. I am worthy. Release all shackles that bind. Thank you for joining me. I want you to do this one on a regular. Become one with the reality you seek every day. Do this in the morning. Open up your 12 gates until you get to the new earth. Through the path to righteousness, I've already made it into the new earth because I brought the return of Christ. So I'm in the 13 gates. It's like amplified. Okay. I don't need all these layers. I've already released them. And so we just purify the gates. Okay. So keep going until you get to that 13th gate. Keep going. Don't let anything stop you, and always choose love, not fear, not confusion, not haste. Okay. None of those shackles that bind, no judgment, no expectations, no doubt. Remove all lack. You are powerful. You are a creator. You have God's heart and God's light within you. Use it wisely. Thank you.